If you want to remove the individual components from Windows, uninstalling Apache and PHP are pretty straightforward. We extracted them from zip files, so you just need to delete them. If you were running PHP as a Windows service, you would uninstall that first, but I already showed how to do that. But MySQL is another story. If you want to uninstall MySQL, your first impulse might be to go to the control panel and choose Uninstall a Program, and then look for MySQL. And you could do it this way, but look at how many different programs are installed. You have the MySQL server, you have MySQL Workbench, and all of the connectors. And if you try to uninstall from here, you'll find that it takes a lot of time. But notice that the MySQL installer is still there. It's installed as its own application, and that's because it knows how to uninstall all this at the same time. So I'm going to close the control panel, and then on Windows 8, I'll go to the Start screen, and I'll type MySQL. And I'll go to the MySQL installer. As before, if I see User Account Control dialogs, I'll click Yes. And I come to this screen that shows me all of the MySQL components that are installed. And over here, I'll click Remove. And then up here, I'll check the checkbox. And that selects everything. When I click Execute, I'll be uninstalling the MySQL server, MySQL Workbench, and everything else. I'm not going to go through this process right now, but you'll find that there are no options from this point forward. Just follow the prompts. One of the prompts you'll see asks you whether you want to uninstall the installer itself. If you leave that checked at the end of the process, you'll need to restart your computer. You'll see very clear prompts to this effect. Just follow the prompts from this point forward, and you'll be ready to try a completely different distribution of Apache, MySQL, and PHP.